Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of purchases on the application of DoorDash. You click on settings, then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you can search about DoorDash and you'll enter DoorDash. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.